Looks like Samsung's got something sleek up its sleeve, the Galaxy S25 Edge. This super slim version of the S25 series just had its design layout leaked, and while it's not as fully loaded as the Ultra, it definitely isn't trying to be. Instead, the S25 Edge is carving out its own niche, and honestly, it looks pretty sharp doing it. The leak comes from none other than Evan Blass. Yep, the same guy who's always 3 steps ahead of the official announcements. He dropped a look at the new layout sheet, which lines up perfectly with an earlier video leak that mysteriously disappeared, probably because Samsung wasn't too thrilled about it making the rounds. From the front, the S25 Edge looks almost identical to the rest of the S25 family. Big screen, razor-thin bezels, that premium vibe. Flip it over though, and you'll notice the change. A dual camera setup with an LED flash that gives off major Galaxy Z Fold 4 energy. This phone is clearly made for people who want something stylish but familiar. Other details: the earpiece pulls double duty for stereo sound, since there's only one real speaker. The SIM tray's still hanging out at the bottom, right next to the USB Type-C port, which, yep, handles both charging and audio. No 3.5mm headphone jack here, but let's be real, no one expected that to make a comeback. The Edge is also expected to come packed with solid specs, same cameras as the Ultra, 12 gigs of RAM, and possibly the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip under the hood. So while it may be slimmer, it's definitely not slouching in performance. It's also gunning straight for Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air, which is supposed to replace the Plus model in Apple's lineup. Just like the Edge, the iPhone Air is all about looks and a slimmer profile, with a different rear design from the rest of the iPhone 17 gang. If Samsung plays its cards right, the S25 Edge could hit the shelves before the iPhone 17 Air does. And no, this isn't Samsung's, but this is more of a sidestep for folks who want top-tier features in a thinner, sleeker frame. Smart move. So, what do you think about the Galaxy S25 Edge? Love it? Hate it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, thanks for hanging out. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay safe.